In this video, we will use Kustomize to define the required infrastructure as a code for weather applications. For the demo, we will configure the deployment and the service resources in a repeatable manner. First, review the deployment and service manifest files for the weather app. The files Breezy Weather Deployment and Breezy Weather Service shows standard instructions for defining the respective resources. These are the same files that were used in the earlier demos. They correspond to the creation of two pods, a deployment to manage them, and a service to expose them. Next, create a new customization.yaml file by entering the command vim customization.yaml. This file will hold the resources that must be created as part of infrastructure as code. The location of this file matters. For our demo, we have placed it at the root of the folder containing the resource manifest files. After creating a new file, add instructions to include the creation of deployment and service resources. For this, I'll quickly paste the code snippet that defines the manifest of type customization and includes the deployment and service manifest as the resources. Now you can also associate a namespace to it. Let me tag it to the staging namespace. In the next step, I add instructions to apply a common label named environment with a value dev to the resources. For this, you need to use the common labels parameter and include the labels key value pair. After adding all the necessary instructions, render the produced result of Kustomize to the console by entering the command kubectl kustomize /. This will display the combined manifest. This helps us know the final set of resources that Kustomize will create. Note that the resources still need to be created at this point in time. Next, apply the resources produced by Kustomize by entering the command kubectl apply -k . This will create new Kubernetes objects according to the configuration in the manifest file. After applying the resources produced by it, examine the Kubernetes objects by entering the command kubectl get -k . This will show the newly created objects. Also, you can view the core resources by entering the command kubectl get all. This will display the Breezy Weather deployment and service that have been created earlier.